Hello everyone, this is AI Digital with a brand new topic, Zipline, drone delivery company. Zipline is a logistic company which deliver goods via its drones. Is it amazing to hear? Yes, it's right. Zipline International is an American company that designs, manufactures and operates delivery drones. The company operates distribution centers in Rwanda, Ghana and Japan, and in the United States and Nigeria. Zipline has made more than 600,000 deliveries and 7.2 million items are delivered and has flown up to 49 million autonomous miles. The company drones deliver whole blood, platelets, frozen plasma, along with medical products including vaccines, infusions, common medical commodities. As of September 2021, more than 75% of blood deliveries in Rwanda outside in Kigali use Zipline drones. In the pandemic in North Carolina, it also delivered medical supplies and personal protective equipment. It's just a beginning. It will start each and everything to deliver you in your convenient and your personal space and fastly. Zipline is the future of delivery. Zipline deliveries are 7 times the speed of traditional automobile deliveries. Ultimate convenience, lower cost, easy integration, fewer emissions. Zipline operates the world's largest instant logistics and delivery system. It is operated by a team of professionals and it have never been done any accident. In case of any emergency, it can be landed on parachutes. Let us know by your comments how you feel about it. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.